Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can unsponsor somebody on Cash App. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this LinkedIn article simply because Cash App is not available in my region, so this is the only method I have of explaining this to you guys. Hope you guys don't mind. However, this is a very well done guide, so you will be able to follow very easily. But let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do, you can do it using Cash App, and to do this, you need to open up the Cash app, then go into profile settings. It's in the top right corner. Just tap on your profile and then go into the settings. Then you need to go into family accounts by scrolling down and finding that option. Then you just need to find the account you want to unsponsor and then remove the sponsorship by tapping the remove button. Other than that, you can also contact customer support if you're having any problems. Tap on the profile icon, scroll down, select support, and find the issue for unsponsoring accounts, and then start a chat with the support representative. And that is pretty much how you can figure out how you can unsponsor somebody. Now, if you sponsor somebody, that pretty much means you're vouching for them, and it means that they are under 18 years old but 13 plus, and that you are of age. And if you unsponsor them, they will lose certain functionalities on Cash App, such as the cash card account on Cash App, and other things are also unavailable for them because Cash App, I'm pretty sure, does not support either people 13 or 12 or younger using that service. So yeah, pretty much that's all there is to it. Very easily done through the Cash app itself. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.